All right, that is 10 ounces of our marshmallows. Now I'm coming in with 1/3 of our salted butter. While that's melting, I'm gonna grab my pure vanilla extract and we're gonna use the cap to add 1 teaspoon into our marshmallows and butter. We have our pan on medium heat and look, those marshmallows are already starting to melt and we want that butter to melt as well so we get an ooey gooey deliciousness. Now that this is nice and melted, we can turn off our stove and let's add our next special ingredient. Found these delicious strawberry and cream pebbles. And we're gonna pour the whole box in there. All right, I am way too excited. We're mixing that right into our marshmallow mixture. Make sure that everything gets coated and it starts getting all stuck together. And then once this is all mixed together, we can bring it to our counter. All right, we have our mixture here in a greased 9x13, and we're gonna get all of that in there. Oh my goodness, that cereal smells incredible. Now, obviously this feels like a standard Rice Krispy recipe, but obviously the cereal makes it special, and we're gonna add some more kind of secrets and tricks to make this the best treat you've ever had. It's so great for summer because you don't have to turn on the oven. All you need is your stovetop, and you get the best dessert. Kids will love it, grandparents will love it, everyone will love it. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab that butter wrapper I have, and we're gonna get all of that mixture off. This is the best way to kind of flatten out your Rice Krispies because it doesn't stick to your butter wrapper. We're just getting that nice and evenly distributed in your 13x9. All right, now we're just gonna put this in the fridge to let it cool. All right, we just popped this out of the fridge. We're gonna set this right here and come over to our KitchenAid food processor. This is just one of the mini food processors. And I'm gonna add 1 cup of my freeze-dried strawberries right into my food processor, just like so. Now I'm gonna give this a quick little chop, and then we're gonna add one more thing before we top our treat. All right, I think that looks good. You can kind of see there's some crumbs, some bigger pieces. That's exactly how we want it. Now the next thing I'm gonna add is some golden Oreos. I'm using the gluten-free because my mom is gluten-free. And we are gonna add a couple of these delicious golden Oreos into our food processor. Now, if you don't like golden Oreos, you can use a Nilla wafer cookie, but I wanted this to be gluten-free for my mama, so that's why we're doing these. We'll start off with, I think we could probably fit 1 row of those Oreos. We're definitely not gonna add more than that. So 1 row of Oreos. Going again. All right, let's check this out. Strawberries and cream crumble is ready to go on top of our strawberries and cream Rice Krispie treats. And we are just gonna kind of sprinkle that on. We got some bigger chunks, some smaller chunks. This is exactly what we wanted. And those crumbs are kind of falling in between the cereals, which is so yummy. Now, obviously this treat would be delicious even without the topping, but more is always more in my house. Okay, let's go ahead and kind of just do a light little pat. And we do need something to kind of secure that crumble on top of our delicious treat. So I have here some melted white chocolate and a little whisk. And we are just going to kind of drizzle that right on top. All right, once you're happy with your white chocolate drizzle, we're gonna come in and give it a taste. Oh, it's cutting so easy. Pop it out. Oh, look at that. Talk about a slice of heaven. All right. Cannot wait to give this a try.